And now we're in line at McDonald's to get some McDonald's because we're hungry. And our room isn't ready, so we're gonna go to the mall and then we're gonna get some groceries.
Yeah, get some new clothes, looking fresh.
I'm there for the Disney stuff.
Yeah, for the Disney stuff. Good. I'm not gonna spend any more money. Like,
Well, now that he said clothes, now I'm gonna get clothes.
no, I guess just me.
No. How do you think the flight went?
Pretty good.
You probably can't even hear us over the blowing of the air conditioner.
I just don't like the takeoff and the landing.
I always get nauseous.
Me too. Besides that, though, it went pretty good. Yeah.
It wasn't bad.
It's like 90 degrees here. Super hot.
It's July 15th?
It is.
What? June 15th?
June 15th.
Not July. Oh.
Excited.
Yeah. We bought a gimbal. We're going to use that for the trip.
That we aren't using yet.
Yeah, because it's packed in it. Yeah.
So,
But
so
we'll
if you see our shakiness right now, sorry.
Sorry. But, so we're going to try that out and hopefully that works this trip. We'll see. I'm excited to get in our room, so probably the next time you see us, it might be in a hotel room. I don't know. Okay. We're going to eat and get fatter. Okay, bye.
Peace.
Okay. We are finally done at the Outlet Mall. We are finally done at the Publix, and we're here. So excited! I can't wait. I'm so excited that we're here.
Too.
Oh,
It's been a long day.
finally, Saratoga Springs. It has been so long. We went to Publix and got some groceries for the week, and
Expensive.
holy crap, was it expensive. We didn't even get
$90.
like a ton of stuff. We spent $92.
I got like 20 items.
Yeah,
$9
like
bucks.
it was so
Crazy
expensive. Yeah,
Wow. Expensive.
but at least now we're going to our hotel room. It's finally done. You probably can't hear us again because the thing is blasting air because it's so hot.
Yeah, but you can't turn that thing off. Turn it down, maybe.
Okay, well.
Because it will get way too toasty.
It's
that's
4:50. Our room was done at 4, but we were at Publix, so we
We gotta go to our hotel room.
didn't go yet. But I was hoping it was gonna be done. I was hoping it was gonna be done early, but it wasn't. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But yeah,
Disney
so
Springs.
we're gonna where?
Right from us. To the left. We gotta go right. Like to the left.
Saratoga Springs.
That's not Saratoga Springs.
That's what the sign said.
No. So you're talking about that hotel? I'm like, I don't think so, man.
But we are finally on Disney property. There's Disney Springs up there. So we'll be probably going there maybe tonight once we get settled in.
Maybe. Or we'll have chicken nuggets and mashed potatoes.
Or we'll have chicken nuggets and mashed potatoes. for
We'll have
dinner.
to see how we feel it.
We will see. But, well, I just at least want to walk around there though, too.
Yeah. We'll see how we feel.
Disney Springs. So we've stayed at Saratoga Springs once before, but we're gonna stay there the whole trip this time. Last time on our honeymoon, we spent one night there because we needed to. But we're gonna stay
So,
at Saratoga Springs the whole entire time. Okay.
I think this is it.
Disney Vacation Club way. Yeah, because this is where we did the Disney Vacation Club like meeting thing, timeshare meeting.
In 900 feet, turn left onto Broadway.
Oh. Alright.
Turn left onto Broadway.
We here.
Saratoga Springs! There's the Saratoga Springs golf course. You can kind of see it,
Alright. Lake
Alright.
Vista Golf. Oh, Saratoga
You
Springs.
can't see it really, but Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. How pretty it is.
Woo, so pretty. We're gonna go golfing.
No, we are not.
We're not gonna go golfing.
That was where we stayed last time, right?
Something like that.
In the Springs. Yeah, I think so. I think it was the
I think
pink
that's
one.
two. Yeah, no, you're right.
Yeah, because we were really close to this. Let's see the split. So we're heading to the grandstand, which is
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
huge. Yeah, I don't know.
We'll find out. Probably looks the same as our number?
9506, I believe. I know it's 95, so we're in the 9,000.
They just got it big.
So we need to, yeah, it's huge. Okay.
I guess we just start here.
Yeah.
See what we got.
Okay.
Alright.
Pink building.
95 what?
9506, I believe.
Let's try this right here.
Okay. Well, there's it. That's the front entrance to our humble abode for the week, huh?
I guess. Alright.
I wish we could have a closer parking spot.
Yeah, we're not that far.
Okay.
We're not too far.
Alrighty. Alright, we just got to our room. Hi.
Wow! Oh, wow! Wow! Looks so good.
Alright. Oh, it's so cold in here. Oh,
It's just like the other.
it looks just like the other one. So it's
Backwards.
basically like, yeah, like the same room we stayed in last time, just backwards. So before the TV was over here, and the couch was over here, and the microwave's yelling at us. So we just have a little dinette here, and a bathroom in here. There's the bedroom in here, which I don't know how to turn on the lights. They have no welcome home from the manager, and yeah, that's basically it. And then we have big tub and a flickering light, a sink. There's the closet with utility box, which is strange. Safe.
Usually
Mhm.
it goes on there?
Yeah. So we have this, oh gosh, flickering lights. You can open up these window or doors basically too, so you can look out if you're taking a bath. And then you walk through here, and then wherever the light switch is. We have a toilet that has its own room, and then we have the sink, the shower, which is a stand-up shower. It's nice to give you the H2O brand Disney products. You have body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and then bath soap, which is pretty cool. And you walk out here, and then I believe this should be the washer and dryer. Yep. So this is kind of like ours at the boardwalk too. It's basically the same, just the theming's different, color scheme's different, and yeah. So we got the 1-bedroom villa with a full fridge, full kitchen basically. Well, they give you a little baby soap, and then microwave. And then oh, this is pretty. Look at our view. So this is our view of the little pond and the fountain. That's so cute. And then the golf course, I believe, is right there. Oh my gosh, look, there's the little bungalow things you can stay in.
Oh, wow.
Okay. But this resort, no.
There's bungalows for Saratoga Springs too?
Yeah, well, they're like cabins, I believe.
I
But
thought they were just for Animal Kingdom.
no, Animal Kingdom has them too. But I think the Polynesian has some on the waterfront. But I could be wrong. But this is like a very secluded resort, so it's kind of away from everything. You're not gonna get any theme park views here. It's mainly gonna be like these views, but you're really far away from, not really far, but you're further away from the parks. And why are you beeping? I don't know what's happening, but so we are gonna bring in the rest of the groceries and relax. So
Bye!
bye. So we're heading to again, I didn't bring my gimbal, so it's probably gonna be a little shaky because I forgot it.
Give a dang gimbal.
Sorry, I forgot.
Man, we'll
But
take that money
we
for
are
that.
on our way to the lobby so we can get our travel mugs for the week, and we are going to ask about parking because when we came in, they didn't give us a parking pass, which I know when we went to the boardwalk, they gave us a parking pass for the park, so I don't know.
If anybody knows anything different, just message down below.
This is going up like way after. And then
Well, if you have any updates,
we're
message
going to
down
also
below.
ask how far of a walk it is from Disney Springs, because if it's super long, I don't know if my knees are going to handle it because they're already struggling with the outlet mall / grocery shopping we did today, right?
Oh, we did great there. You were doing awesome. You were killing it, babe.
I feel like I killed my knees, and I'm really trying. I really don't want to have a wheelchair this trip. If I can help it, I really do want to walk as much of Universal and Disney as I
You're
can.
gonna do it.
So this is Nathan's outfit of choice, OOTD. He has a gray shirt with some black shorts. Look at how cute he looks in those shorts. I got him, or I didn't get him, but
She made me get shorts.
I
She said my other shorts
suggested,
are out of date.
I suggested maybe not wearing cargo shorts and getting some like in trend kind of shorts. And this is what we got today. You're gonna do an outfit of the day of me? Or no?
Outfit of the day. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Wow.
No, if you do it that way.
Sorry,
You can't.
rewind. Looks great. You look
Thank you.
beautiful today.
Thank you,
babe.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
How do you do that?
With humidity and sweat.
We need to come to Florida more often. Matter of fact, we should just live here. All right, you want it back?
Sure, thanks.
Go.
You probably cut off my head in that whole clip.
I did the whole time.
Yeah, I figured. So we're just walking and walking and walking
Out of Winter
and
Wonderland.
walking. So I think we're gonna head to Disney Springs after we go to the lobby, and we're going to probably get some dinner because we haven't had dinner. It is, I don't have a watch
5:30.
on. I don't know why I looked at it.
5:52.
5:52. So we're gonna grab some dinner because we did go to the grocery store and buy some stuff, but it's mainly like lunches and snacks for the week.
And breakfast.
Oh yeah, and breakfast too. And we got like some dinner stuff, like we got like some instant mashed potatoes and like non-healthy stuff, because if anybody lives in Florida and you live in the Orlando area and you've gone to Publix before, it's so expensive.
There.
So expensive. So we
So if you ever went up to Toledo, it's like the Mancy's of all stores.
Mancy's of all stores, yeah. So we decided to stop where we were at. I mean, we ended up spending like $92, which I think we talked about already, but
Got a
all
question.
right, we're back. Sorry, Nathan had asked for directions.
And you couldn't.
But this, yeah, I didn't film it. I
That's
felt
our closest
uncomfortable.
pool.
Okay, this is the closest pool.
It's got like fountains.
Yeah, it has
It's got a bar
fountains.
there.
That's so cool. I don't want to like go up to like people are swimming in it right now, but like that's so cool. I love the colors. It's like reminds me of, I don't know, but it is cool. I like
No
it.
offense, but I kind of like the more than the clown at the boardwalk.
Yeah. So for our honeymoon, we stayed at the boardwalk, and we didn't really film that. We got like a couple clips, but it's
No,
not like
I
a
don't
video,
think we
but-
filmed too much of it.
No, but if you've ever been to the boardwalk or stayed there, they have their pool is like themed around like circus or carnival, and it's like you like go down the slide that's basically a giant clown's mouth,
Yeah.
and it's
Yeah.
it's not.
Not our favorite.
not
The water
my
slide was
favorite.
cool.
Yeah, it was. We have some video of us going through
We
the
do. Yeah.
water slide.
I don't know if we
think,
put that
but-
online or not, but
No, we didn't, because it was just like a short clip, and then, or I might have put it in there. I don't remember.
well, if we didn't, we'll make sure to put it on there.
Yeah, we have a couple videos up from our honeymoon, like 2 maybe. But
Sorry, let me rephrase that. Vicky will make sure to put it on there.
yeah, Nathan does nothing. He doesn't edit, he doesn't film, and he does not put it up on YouTube. So.
I'll just wait till it takes off, then I'll start.
Right. I don't think it's ever gonna take
All
off,
right, now we're
but
ready to go.
he said back through all that. That's what the guy said. There's a map, but okay.
He said this way?
No, I don't know.
Oh, all right.
He said back through all of that. Okay, we're gonna look at a
Just keep
map.
walking that way. Did he say where we're at? we are here. Where's the main lobby? Oh, check it.
Oh,
How do
so
you get over there? So you keep going that way, but I don't want to. I want to walk through. Okay, maybe right here. Maybe this one and over.
this walkway is for golfers only.
That one.
Oh, right. I don't know what I'm doing. Why am I here? I feel super awkward when people are walking by and I'm filming.
Just filming me.
So basically all these videos are going to be of Nathan because I'm the only one who remembers to get out my camera and film, and he doesn't. So it's going to basically be his face all the time and my voice all the time. Sorry about that.
Should I show Charlie now?
No, I'm
Whoa.
still recording.
That is a skinny squirrel. Wow.
Yeah, our squirrels
Are fast.
are really fat.
Goodness, Hazel would love to chase the little ones. They're like chipmunks.
Hazel's our dog,
Sorry.
by the way. Oh, I would say that's the chicken.
Hey, that's it.
I think we found it.
That's where we wanted to go.
I am sweaty
You sweating?
and exhausted. And we haven't even been to the parks yet. Woo! Yeah. But they take forever. Unless that's the Magical Express. Alright, well, never mind. This takes us from the airport. Magical Express. If anybody watches, see you real soon. There you go. Got it. Okay, we're going back. Oh, that's vacation time? You sure? Okay, we don't know what we're doing or going. Look at this statue. Winner's Circle. I think it's over here.
All right.
So I think this is the other pool we can go to.
Yeah, that was super cool.
You can't see the pool, sorry. That's about all you got. Oh, but that's pretty, look. Oh, that's a cool pool.
It's like a lagoon.
I don't think you can do this. Oh, I thought you were being serious. I just got all wet.
I did too.
This is wet. Okay.
All right, you ready?
But we'll hopefully go swimming later, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. We're gonna walk in and get our mugs.